What is up, guys? So as you see, time has come to mount the acceleras. We're taking them to the tire shop because this Sunday we're finally going to test the car. We're going to Megara for a pre-test before going to Risio for a track day and then to Zakynthos. So basically we're doing like a small Greek tour, basically just 3 of them. We are here today at Megara Circuit. Came by today to test the car. It's not here yet, but it will be here shortly. I'm gonna set up the tents and everything and then wait for the car. We gotta put the seat belts, the second ones, because I didn't have time to put them, so we're gonna do it today and then we're gonna test the car. Hopefully it's gonna go well. I'm not quite sure. I'm having a bit of stress how the Wisefab's gonna feel and everything because it's my first time. So yeah, we'll see.
Memory is the chain that connects our past to our present. If it breaks, we're left untethered, incapable of leaving the present moment and unable to embrace the future. Remember when there were no MP3s, CDs, didn't care about germs, no concern of disease, street lights came on, we high-fived and we leave. Back in the days it wasn't so hard to believe that I would wake up as the Black Power Ranger, never scared of danger, snapping my fingers to the beat of my drum, became fight what I had, never needed a gun, we would gladly chill out with mom and daddy, the greatest thing nobody could ever take us.
Έχεις κάνει delivery ποτέ, για να αφήσετε τα σάτι στα παιδιά που είναι μέσα.
Έχεις παραγγείλει ένα σάτι, ωραία, και έναν ασυρματό.
Όχι, ασύρματο είναι στο επόμενο.
Έχεις παραγγείλει και έναν ασυρματό.
Έτοιμοι.
Πάμε.
moments later.
Τι, σαπουνιάς.
Ναι, βέβαια δεν είχε grip ρε φίλε, εντάξει. Κάτσε εδώ κάτω.
Αλήθεια.
Ωραίο! Έλα τζεπανιά, full. Άμα με βγαίναμε εδώ, μπορεί να βρει καμιά πιχόκου. So, the problem is, I did test the car the whole day on the new semi-acceleras, and now I've put it just simple tires. And the thing is, I did have a grip until the moment, but the thing is, when you go with normal radial tires, the grip vanishes like a snap. So, this is the problem now, but... Έλα, αυτό είναι για thumbnail τώρα εδώ.